Hey everyone, welcome to QR Diffusion. Today I'm excited to show you how to generate QR codes with just a few clicks using our pre-made templates. Before we start, remember there are two types of templates: the image-to-image type, recognizable by this button, and the standard templates, which are prompt to QR code. So simply choose any template you like and click the Edit button. Before you generate, make sure you update the QR code destination to your own. To adjust the QR code data settings, go back to the first step where you'll find the QR code settings. We're going to use a dynamic QR code, so let's create one. Choose the destination and title for the QR code. Then click Create button. Make sure to update the QR code data with the dynamic QR code you just created. And continue. In the second step, in the layout options, we'll keep the same settings because we're creating the exact same QR code from our pre-made templates. And we're not changing anything in the third step either. Just click the Generate button and you're ready to get your QR codes. And there you have it, your QR codes for your web page. Feel free to scan them to check if everything works as expected. I think they turned out really great. If you want to make sure to get the best result possible, try generating a few more or adjusting the settings. If you forget to download any QR codes you like while generating them, just click the History button at the top, and you'll find all of them there. As you can see, generating artistic QR codes is really easy. It only takes about 2 minutes with our templates. In the next videos, I'll show you how to edit these templates to match your specific vision, and how to use the image-to-image templates as well. Thanks for watching. Enjoy creating your QR codes, and I can't wait to see what you create.